Okay, so instead of playing the game first, I'm gonna make a tier list on these characters and whether or not you should play them. This guy, I haven't played because you need all of the specific void items and then your character will turn into him, I believe. But yeah, haven't played him. Don't plan on playing him. Maybe one day. Okay, Commando. C. He is a good middle ground character. Just middle. Mid. Huntress, F. No, you can't convince me otherwise. She is F. Bandit, I have fun playing Bandit. He's pretty interesting character. Engineer. Yup, top tier.